channel, and today I will be showing you a video on how to do the program for the vending machine. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your Mindstorm EV3 homepage. Then you're going to go up to Files, and I'm going to press Open Project, and now I'm going to go to the vending machine. Sorry, my computer is a little slow. Now it is uploading. Okay, so now that we're here, this is what the program is. So basically what happens here is on the brick it'll tell you right here, it'll say all $1.25. Then next in the program you're gonna put in a coin, which would be a quarter. Then you're gonna wait 0.5 seconds, then another quarter, and you're gonna repeat that 5 times until all the way down until it makes a noise that says detected, and then your brick will say please wait. Then you have now you have an option. You could either press one of the touch sensors, which would move this one, or you can press this touch sensor and it'll move this motor. Now if you press one, then the other one does not work. So like if you were to press one, then two does not work also. You have a 7-second span to do that, and if you don't do it within 7 seconds, then it just resets and the brick then turns yellow. So that is pretty much it. And sorry about that, I had to close my door. So that's pretty much it. So please like, subscribe, and comment. And in the comment section, please tell me what you think I should do next. And that is pretty much it.